I'm Sarah Stonecipher, and this is my channel where we talk about all things brick and mortar retail. And today we're going to be talking about markdowns. It's a thing that you have to do in retail to really turn that merchandise. I hate doing markdowns myself, but you gotta do it in order to bring out all those new arrivals. So you better figure out an ecosystem that works for your store. We have a 50% rack outside that helps draw people in, but truthfully, our most important sale rack in the entire store is what we call our last chance rack. You can see we do 10% off on our last chance, but what is that? When an item is the last of its kind, it's the last one in the store, I want it off my sales floor. It's making my racks look crazy by having that single item, but more importantly, for every 6 items of last chance we can pull off the racks, I can put an entirely new product out on the floor within a full size run. So we're walking around the store all day long adding to our last chance. And truthfully, we make it really easy. We just throw a 10% sticker out on the tag and throw it on this rack. It's not a different product in our system because we're doing it all day long. You just throw it on here, and guess what? You can put all that new product out on the sales floor that you never knew you could. This is also one of our most popular places because we tell people this is not a sale rack. These are items that sold out so quickly, we only have one left. So I'm telling you, it has worked so well for us for the last 10 years. You should try it in your store as well. Thanks so much for stopping by, and as usual, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, comment below. Thanks so much.
Have you ever dreamed of opening your own clothing store? Would you love to be a larger part of your local community? Or maybe you already have an online shop but want to take the leap into a physical location. Well, join me as I pull back the curtain on all things brick and mortar. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on how to grow and thrive in your own retail storefront.